So today I am going to take lesson number 19 from the town to the village. Lesson number 19 from the town to the village. Okay. Now I live in a town. Ours is a small family. There are houses, places and streets around our house. So the child writes this, says that he lives in the town and his family is a small family. There are houses around his house near the street. Ajit, my best friend, lives near my house. I want to play with him daily. I treat him my best neighbor as I like his company very much. So the narrator says that his best friend is Ajit and he lives near to him. He is his neighbor and they both play daily. Okay, they both come together and they both play daily. And for the narrator, Ajit is the best friend. There are many families living around us. I play with other children of our neighbors also. So Ajit also plays with all other children, those who are living to his neighbors. All those children who are his neighbors, he plays. But Ajit is his best friend. My parents also visit the neighbors. The neighbors also visit us. We help one another and join one another in happiness and sorrow. So he says that, the narrator says that his parents also visit the neighbors and the neighbors visit them. So it brings happiness and joy. Neighbors both help each other. They both understand each other and whenever programs come, they come together. People belonging to different religions and speaking different languages live in our neighborhood. We live together peacefully and friendly. We participate in their festivals and they participate in ours. We have among our neighbors Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, Christians, etc. They celebrate different festivals like Diwali, Holi, Christmas, Baisakhi, Eid, Onam, Pongal, etc. All of us take part in each festival irrespective of our own religion. So the narrator, he says that in the neighbors there are all sorts of religious people live. All sorts of religions are living, like Muslims, Sikh, Hindus, Christians, everybody. And they all live peacefully and a friendly manner. All of them, just like in our locality, just like in our colony. There are many different religion people live. They all live together, they all live peacefully, they all live happily. They help each other in our colonies also. So same way here the narrator is saying that in his neighborhood all sorts of people live, all sorts of religious people live, and they all celebrate the festivities of each other. Whether it is Christmas, whether it is Diwali, Holi, Eid, Onam, anything for that matter. They all celebrate all this religion irrespective of what they are, belong to which religion or caste. Neighbors play an important role in making each other's life happy and comfortable. Neighbors help one another and that gives everyone a sense of security. So neighbors are very important in one's life. In our colony also, there are a lot of neighbors in our place. So they all help us. They all, whenever we need any help, they come to help us. Besides houses, there are many other important places in my neighborhood: a park, a school, a market, a hospital, a post office, a police station and a bank are the important places that exist not very far from my house. The narrator tells that near to his house there are post office, park, school, market, hospital, just like we can say, take the example of this Sajanwa, a small town. We can see there are parks are there are shops are there are hospitals, there are post office. one police station, everything is there. So that type of town and neighbors, all are neighbors around there. Though I live happily, I don't like the noise and busy life all around. Right from morning till to night, there is noise everywhere. Everyone seems busy. There is the blare of music, the cries of hawkers, the honking of horns, and smoke from the factories. When I went to study, these things disturb me. I feel like running to a less crowded place. Now the narrator speaks, he says that he does not like this city life, this town life, because there are a lot of noises. There are the noise of the music when there is bhajan kirtan, okay, there are noises. When there is katha in one of the houses, there are noises. The traffic which creates a lot of problem, and smoke from the chimneys. All these things create kind of a noise, kind of pollution to the city. This is the reason during my vacation I like to visit my uncle in a nearby village. There live my uncle, aunt, cousins and grandmother. All of them love me much. My grandmother is always excited at my visit. My uncle takes me around the fields, meadows and the trees. There I love to watch many birds, animals, butterflies, which I do not see in the town. So he says that he does not like the town, but he loves to visit village, and he goes to the village where his uncle, his cousins, his grandmother, all of them live. So they come to the village, he comes to the village during the summer vacation, during the holidays time. He goes to the village and stays with his uncle. And his uncle takes him round to the field, to the meadows, and shows all sorts of trees and the varieties of birds and all. I have also made friends with some children there, and we played together. They always flock my uncle's house as soon as they get wind of my arrival. They are always curious to know about my town. They feel surprised at my liking for their village life. So he says that he has made a lot of friends in the village, and the moment the children comes to know that he is coming, he is arriving, they all come together to uncle's house and they start searching for him. The moment they come to know that he is coming, all his friends come to his uncle's house and they gather there waiting for him, and they come to know about the town life. They come to know about the town life. They want to know how the town life is, and they are very happy to hear that he loves to live in village. I always find it hard to return to my urban ways. My uncle, aunt, cousins and above all grandmother feel sad when I get ready to return. I only want to return when my vacation ends. If I were not to join my school, I would love to stay there more. My grandmother gives me a lot of gifts at the time of returning home. It is always my uncle who accompanies me back home. So I always find it hard to return. Now, when the vacations are over, and when he has to come back, he feels bad. जैसे सबके साथ होता है, जब हम लोग भी अपने अपने गांव जाते हैं छुट्टियों में, और जब लौटना होता है तो हम लोगों को भी बुरा लगता है कि हम क्यों वापस जा रहे हैं, यहीं अच्छा लगता है, यहीं रहना चाहते हैं. And the narrator's grandmother, she also does not like, she does not want the narrator to go back, but he has to go, and he says that if there was no school, he would have stayed there. He loves to be in the village. He loves to be with his grandmother. Now, when he comes back, his uncle takes him back to the town. His uncle comes with him to reach him to the town. After returning to my house in the town, it takes me a few days to fall into the daily routine of the town again. I go about telling friends my experience of my visit to the village. I want my town to be less noisy, less crowded, and full of natural life like my uncle's village. So after returning home, he is bit sad. वापस जब हम गांव से घर आते हैं तो हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा बुरा लगता है, थोड़ा सा अफसोस होता है, थोड़ा सा दुखी होते हैं क्योंकि हमने गांव छोड़ दिया, वापस हम उसी शहर में आ गए जहाँ पे बहुत सारे आवाज़ होते हैं, नॉइज़ होता है. तो सेम थिंग ही ऑल्सो फेल्ट द थिंग that when he comes back home, he feels bit sad, bit loneliness, and takes time for him to recover from this gloominess. He again joins his friends. He misses all the friends, those who are in the village. But then he comes back and he always want to be with his uncle. So I hope you might have understood this chapter very well.